There are so many great health benefits from intermittent fasting, but today I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorites, and the one that when I heard about it, I thought, I want to do intermittent fasting, and it's called autophagy. Now, I had never heard that word before, but what I heard about it definitely caught my attention. Hi, my name is Joyce. Welcome to my channel, Life Made Well. I would love it if you would subscribe. Pop a comment for me down below. I would love to hear from you, hear where you're from. How long have you been fasting? Are you just investigating about it? And my goal is to share tips and help you to become a successful intermittent faster. So what is autophagy? Well, a really simple explanation that I would maybe be able to say to one of my grandkids is this: autophagy is like a superhero that helps to keep our bodies healthy. So just like how we clean our rooms and throw away things we don't need anymore, autophagy is when our body's cells do the same thing. They clean up any bad or old parts that we don't need anymore so that we can stay healthy and strong. So it's like a cleaning crew for our body's cells. Now that's a very simple explanation of autophagy, but you can tell by that explanation how important it really is. So there are tons of benefits about autophagy. In fact, it's been called the fountain of youth. The scientists that discovered this process in our bodies actually earned a Nobel Prize for it. So what are some of the benefits of autophagy? Well, number one is it helps with cellular repair, which is really important for healthy aging. It can help repair damaged cells that we have because it removes the old and damaged stuff in our cells, which allows new and healthy cells to take their place. It also improves immune function. Autophagy can help strengthen our immune functioning because it's removing viruses and bacteria from the cells. It also may prevent some diseases, things like Alzheimer's, heart disease. There's still a lot of studying being done about autophagy, but that has been found in some of the studies. It may also slow down the aging process, which is my favorite because I think that healthy aging is important and we can take control of some of that by the things that we do for ourselves. It supports brain health, which is huge. As we get older and our memories begin to fade or we can't remember why we walked into a room, autophagy can help that. It plays an important role because it removes damaged proteins and other substances from the brain, which can help prevent neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Autophagy can also help with weight loss. So some people come to intermittent fasting for weight loss. Some people come for the health benefits because there's lots of them. Besides autophagy, there's reduction in inflammation, helping improve the gut, helping our bodies to function better. But weight loss is a wonderful side effect of intermittent fasting as well. But it's important to note that while these benefits are very promising, more research is needed to fully understand the role of autophagy in human health. But there is so much of that going on, and it's changing and updating all the time. So how do you get autophagy started in your body, right? There's several ways that you can activate autophagy. Number one is intermittent fasting, right? Fasting for periods of time, like 16 to 24 hours, can activate autophagy by reducing insulin levels and increasing the production of certain proteins in the body. When you fast, your body uses up its stored carbohydrates and then starts to burn fat for energy. This process can activate autophagy, which is like the cleaning process that we talked about in your body's cells. And while short-term fasting, 16 to 24 hours, can activate autophagy, longer fasts, like 24 to 48 hours, might be even more effective. So I found for myself, I would maybe once a month do a longer fast because I wanted to increase that autophagy. So there's other ways you can get autophagy activated in your body. And one is through exercise. Exercise has been shown to activate autophagy, particularly high intensity or endurance type training. Now, sometimes as you age, you might not be able to do that, right? But again, that's where I feel intermittent fasting, which is great for all ages, can help your body get into autophagy. Eating certain foods can help activate autophagy. Things like green tea and turmeric, resveratrol. I think I'm saying that right. Resveratrol, which is in grapes and red wine, have been also shown to activate autophagy in the body. Getting enough sleep. Sleep is huge, and sleep deprivation has been shown to inhibit autophagy. So it's really important to get, I would say, 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. And then the other is reducing stress. Reducing stress is so good for us in so many ways. So maybe you meditate or do some kind of stretching and yoga, just to relax the body and manage that stress better, because that will help to get that autophagy going. So to me, if you combine those with intermittent fasting, you're going to be that far ahead of the game. And like I said at the beginning of this video, autophagy can be like the fountain of youth that we all want. So if you found this information helpful, feel free to share it, invite others. I'm new and trying to grow my channel, so I would so appreciate you subscribing and sharing this with others.